In this video, we're going to go over a brand that does around $1 to $2 million per month and do a small case study studying how they run their ads, who are they targeting, and exactly what their strategy is that makes them so successful. There's a lot of competition in the niche that they're selling, and the product that they're selling, even though it's unique and it has a different unique selling point, it's not the new revolutionary thing that everybody needs, but the way they present it makes it seem that way. The lessons that you're going to learn with this case study are huge. You can apply them to your store and get the results that you need. Let's go. Hey, it's Rafael Cintron here. We're going to go over a brand that does about $1 million a month, how they do it, the strategy behind it, and obviously they have a Shopify store, so it's very relevant to you that you're watching if you have a Shopify store or if you want to start one. But before we start, if you want to learn absolutely everything that you need to know to scale and grow your Shopify store, we are holding a 5-day live training in a private Facebook group. All you got to do is click that link down in the description. It's going to say join the private Facebook group for the 5-day training. Just click on it. I'm going to teach you absolutely everything that you need to know about products, traffic, and ads so that you can get sales and scale your Shopify store all for free. It's a completely free event. All you got to do is join it down below. And if you want to work with me and my team and mentor directly with me, make sure to book a free one-on-one call down in the description as well. All right, onto the brand. It is called Sabinetek or Sabinetek. And this particular brand, you've probably seen some of their ads because they are really scaling up a lot and they're targeting a lot of people, especially in the USA. So what they do is they sell a smart mic or a microphone that you put on your lapel, connecting the world with sound. Sabinetek smart mic and app. They've been featured on a lot of different publications, a lot of different brands. They've gotten a lot of news outlets putting them out, and they're just a really good brand. And the way that they present the product, which I'm going to show you now, is just amazing. So the product itself is this little microphone here, and you can see it. It is just this little microphone, and what you do is you attach it to your lapel, and it makes the audio sound better. So one of the best things that I did to make videos and to improve the quality of videos that I did was to buy a professional mic, which I'm using right here. It connects to my computer, but this one actually connects via Bluetooth. So it just connects to your computer or to your smartphone, and it just sends the audio through Bluetooth. So it's really convenient. It has that unique thing where you just put the microphone here, it connects to your phone, and then you can just talk to it directly. It works really well for influencers and people that make videos and content on a regular basis. And I'm just going to show you a little bit more about the microphone. It is specifically for people that do videos, content creators, YouTube, vloggers, vlogging. This is really a microphone that people can buy it, get a lot better quality on their audio, and get a lot more followers, a lot more money. So the return that you get by buying this product, it is not just a cool microphone, it's just a better career in making videos, career at vlogging, career people that are making, for example, travel videos or funny videos, prank videos. It also improves the quality of their videos as well. Has a smart microphone. As you can see right here, it combines with your computer, with your phone, whatever you're using. So the way that they get so many sales and that they're so profitable, and just to check how profitable they are, you can go to salessource.io. The link is down in the description, and then just type in the name sabinetek.com. They make about $700 to $1.5 million per month, and this is about a rough estimate, but it's about $1 million a month consistently for the past 6 years, or they've been scaling up in the past year or two. That's where I really saw them, was about a year ago, and I've seen their ads consistently. I've been studying their ad strategy, and I thought it would be really helpful for you to learn how they do it. So let's go to their actual ads. If you check their Facebook page, Sabinetek Audio, it only has about 10,000 followers or 10,000 likes. So it isn't that huge. It's not a million like page, but the way that they do their ads is just amazing. If you go to the ads library, all you got to do is go to their Facebook page, click on page transparency, see more, and then click on pages currently running ads. Go to ad library. We can check the ad library, basically all of their ads that they've been running for the past month or that they are running now. We click United States here, make sure that the ads that we're seeing are running in the USA or in the top markets. And the way that you'll see their ads run, and actually the best ad that they run is, actually pull it up down here, this one here. It says, are you a content creator? So first of all, it goes into who would even care about this product. Are you a content creator? Are you a whatever? Are you a kitchen enthusiast for selling kitchen products? Maybe you have a tech brand. Are you a gaming geek? Are you a traveler? Are you is a great question that I haven't really seen anybody use in their ads until I saw this ad. Are you a content creator? And for me, obviously, that's not my main thing. Like, I'm not a content creator. I don't make vlogs. I don't make a ton of videos. I just make videos for the point of educating and teaching. But it kind of struck a nerve there where, okay, I do create content. Let me check what they're about. And then it says struggling with getting more views and followers. Even though I don't really care that much about views, it's still something that everybody wants more views and followers in any business that you have. Obviously, the more views you get, the more money you're going to make, and so on. Studies show that if the audio quality of the video is low, viewers will view the video negatively. So now it's telling you, hey, if your audio quality is bad, your views are going to suck, or your videos are going to suck. So basically, it's going into really projecting this into a massive level. So let's say you are selling something for example, one really great example product is a measuring spoon. There's this new adjustable measuring spoon. It's selling a lot. It's for basically measuring how much you put into a recipe or how much you cook with in flour, eggs, whatever it is. And for example, you can say, are you a kitchen lover? Or are you a cooking lover or a cooking geek, a cooking guru, whatever it is, struggling with measuring the exact amount of things that you need for your recipe? Studies show, or you don't need to do studies, but these people did studies. That's actually a really good word to use in their ad copy as well. Studies show that if you put too many eggs into a recipe, it will impact the whole taste of the cake or whatever it is that you're baking. So you're not just talking about something that helps you measure. You're talking about the big picture of, hey, your food is going to be really bad. In this case, they're talking about studies show that if the audio quality is bad, then the whole video is going to be bad. So you think, okay, I should probably buy whatever it is they're offering me if I want better audio. Then it says, believe it or not, the audio is just as important as a video. So for example, if you're selling a product that people might not view as important or revolutionary or something that they really need, you gotta not sell just a product. You have to sell the overall transformation that they're gonna go through by buying the product. Even if it's a $20, $30 product, there's still a bigger picture to it. And that's the way that they do it with this microphone. This can be solved with our new, and then it says the microphone itself, and then shop now. And then the way that they do the video, I'm going to show you because it's very clever.
Just parked and then we're about to go try the new restaurant that just opened down the street.
Today we are making a delicious homemade stew. So I got my carrot here.
So the way that they do it is, first of all, audience. Are you a whatever it is? So you got to figure out what type of people will buy your product. That's why making a niche store or an audience specific store always works better than a general store, because you know your audience. Are you a kitchen lover? Are you a cleaning lover? Are you a homeowner if you're selling home products? And then you say this product can help you with the overall picture, with the big picture of the product. And then what you do is you say the before and the after of using the product. So in this case, it's obviously a microphone. You can see it very easily from the audio. The audio in the beginning is kind of bad. It's hard to hear. The audio in the next one with the smart mic, it's amazing. The audio is really good. So you think, wow, this is how my audio can sound if I buy this product. It can be the same with, let's say you're offering a cleaning product. You can put before, and then somebody's really struggling to clean. Their back is hurting. They're a little bit older, so they can't move that much with the mop or whatever there is they're using to clean. And then you sell your cleaning product with a very happy person using it very wisely and making sure the place or whatever they're doing, the room that they're cleaning, is clean very quickly. So that before and after, again and again and again, which they do it quite a lot. So. They do it in this particular clip, or in this particular ad, they do it twice. So they do it with this.
Just parked and then we're about to go try the new restaurant.
And another cool thing that I saw in their ad, which is, it might sound a little bit weird, but it is using different kinds of demographics. So in this case, it uses a blonde white person. And, you know, I'm not going to talk about race or anything like that, but it is something that works in the ads. Believe it or not, we've tried it where we add different clips of people. For example, we will add one clip of a Latino person. I'm Latino, for example, a tan person. Then you add a clip of an Asian person that speaks English. And then you add a clip of a blonde person. And then by adding multiple clips of different demographics, in this case, a blonde girl.
Opened down the street.
Today we are making a delicious homemade stew.
And then a different one, which she looks Latina-ish, black hair, tan skin. So you're using different demographics of people that might use the product. Those people will feel like the ad connects with them. Because, for example, what I've seen is people go and use a picture of, let's say, an Asian-looking person, and then they go and target people that don't have anything to do with Asian people or not Asian, and they don't really feel connected or relevant to the particular ad. I know it's a very sensitive topic to talk about specifically now, but it really does work. Like, I've tested it in my ads and it does amazingly. If you use different demographics for people, older people, younger people, different types of races, different types of countries as well, different types of accents, it's amazing the impact that this can have on your ads. The before and after really captures the way that they do it. And then in the bottom, the headline is create great content again. So the way that they do it is not just, hey, we're selling you this product. It's now we're selling the result, which is creating better content, creating great content. Instead of saying make America great again, it's saying create great content again. So this ad is just amazing. The way that they build it, I really recommend you make your ads in that way where you say, are you something? Or you directly be very relevant to the audience. You say, hey, are you this person? Are you struggling with this? Are you this type of person that is going to buy this product? This is why you should buy it. And the video tells you before and after of the product. It's just extremely well. Quick note before you keep watching, I want to congratulate the student Nick for winning our 0 to 60,000 per month case study that I did with my student Ryan. We showed absolutely everything, the products, how we tested audiences, how we scaled those audiences to the next level, and actually became so profitable. If you're interested in knowing exactly how we did that and the case study showing you everything, I'm giving it away to one lucky winner, just like I did with that Nick. Make sure to comment down below, comment automate down below, subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button, and I'll pick a winner from this video. Now, in other ads, for example, here you have this little or this big vertical ad with a person reviewing the product. These ads have worked tremendously for me and for my team, doing vertical ads of the person reviewing the product or showing off the product in some sort of way. So it says, world's smallest wireless stereo mic, time to get rid of your bulky setup. And then it's just
Guys,
this.
My name is Simon. I just want to talk to you about this little thing right here. It's called the Smart Mic Plus. It clips on just as easy as that, and I basically use it for vlogs. I'm a realtor, so I have a lot of people that I'm sending videos to, bedrooms, bathrooms, the whole...
So videos like this where it's somebody that actually uses a product, them using it, them showing off how they use it. These videos for retargeting specifically are going to work wonders on you. So if you're thinking, hey, I have a lot of traffic, how can I take advantage of this traffic that is going to my store but not actually buying? You can just get somebody, do a testimonial, or even yourself, honestly. Most of the videos that I've done are just myself talking about my product, and it does extremely well. And then I'm going to show you a few more ones. This one, it's talking about journalists. So in the before one, it was doing content creators. Now it's doing journalists. So that's why knowing your audience is so powerful. Knowing who is going to buy your product, who is actually going to go through your store and actually buy is extremely powerful because you know who you need to write on your ads, who do you actually need to make it relevant to. In this case, it's saying perfect for vloggers. First of all, vloggers. Perfect. Content creators, instructors, work at home. Work at home. They probably made a bunch of money in the past 3 months because obviously people that work at home make videos at home. So first of all, it talks about you don't have good audio, you have a bad setup, your videos suck, you might as well quit. And then it starts talking about how cool this is, testimonial, 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 and just a bunch of people talking about the product. This works like really, really well. This video structure of putting the bad things about not having the product, and then you might, for example, let's say you're selling a fitness product, and then you're saying you're going to the gym, it's not working, you've tried cardio, it's not working, you might as well quit and don't become fit. And then you start talking about, or you start giving people testimonials using your fitness product. It's going to work wonders for your brand. So I really like what they do. I really wanted to share it with you because it's just, their ads are just amazing. And this one, for example, it says looking to improve your audio quality, looking to improve, looking to transform. Looking to is a good question to ask in your ads. And as you can see, most of their ads, they actually ask a question. Looking to do this, are you a this? And the question, even though it's a rhetorical question, nobody's going to answer it, but it makes you go through the ad and actually check what they are doing. And this one is basically the same ad, negative, 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 you might as well quit, testimonials of the product, and then showing you what it can do, and obviously you go and buy it. And the product is quite expensive. It's a pretty expensive product. It sells for it's converted here, but it sells for $140. So it is quite an expensive bundle to buy a mic for. I bought mics for $15, $20, but if you do put in the more money, you get much better audio quality, which also ties into the value proposition of your product. You never have to be the cheapest price. You always have to be the most value, the one that can offer a better product, a better transformation, a better result that the product gives you, instead of just going shopping and trying to buy the cheapest thing that they can possibly buy. So I really wanted to share you this. It's nothing special. Obviously the product is patented. It's a new product. You can't really just copy it and start selling it. But the way that they do your ads is very powerful. If you start applying these strategies from what I just taught you, you can literally just start 10xing the results that you get from your ads, improving your quality of the type of people that you're getting through your ads, and really narrowing down on who is actually going to buy your product. All right, I hope you enjoyed that very quick case study. I want to share this with you. I've been following this brand for a while, and I think it's very powerful what they do. There's a lot of lessons to be learned there, and just go through their ads, start learning about them, and really narrow down into what you need to do from them that applies to your brand that you can do to get better results. If you want to know how to combine this strategy with the best products that you can sell, or the top winning products that you can sell on your Shopify store, you can check the video that's going to pop up right there. The top 7 products to sell in this month of June, in the next couple of weeks, and throughout summer 2020. I've compiled them right there. I'm doing a weekly series every single week of the top products to sell. You can check that one out right there. Make sure to join our 5-day live training. Join the private group, book a one-on-one call with us if you're interested. Comment down below, automate, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and smash that like button down below. And I will see you in the next video.